Daily maintenance of diesel forklifts. First item, loop inspection. Before forklift operation, the operator checks around the vehicle. Observe whether there are obstacles around the forklift. Check the tire pressure and wear condition. Second item, clean the air filter. Turn off the engine. Open the hood. Remove the cover of the air filter and check the main filter element. If there are wrinkles, gaskets, or damaged seals, replace the main filter element. If there is no damage, clean the main filter element. Steps to clean the air filter. Third item, check the engine oil level. Pull out the oil level gauge, wipe it clean, and then insert it again. Pull it out again to check if the oil level is between the L and H marks. Detailed steps for checking engine oil level. Fourth item, engine oil change. The engine oil drain bolt is located below the engine oil pan. Loosen the engine oil drain to place the oil into the oil pan, tighten the drain bolt, and then add clean oil from the engine oil filler to the H mark on the oil level gauge. Fifth item, check the fuel filter and oil filter. Forklifts need to remove water and impurities from the fuel filter and oil filter before daily operation. Please clean them in a timely manner. The fuel filter and oil filter require regular maintenance. Sixth item, check the coolant. Turn off the engine, open the water tank, wait until the water temperature drops below 50, follow the prompts to open the water inlet cap, and then check the coolant level. If the water level is too low, please replenish it in a timely manner. Detailed steps for checking the coolant. Seventh item, check the brake fluid level. The brake fluid cup for holding brake fluid is located under the steering wheel. Check the brake fluid level in the brake oil cup. The fluid level should be within 5 mm from the bottom of the filter screen. If the fluid level is below the lower limit, the brake fluid must be filled to the appropriate level. Eighth item, key lubrication and fastening. According to the weekly filling cycle, check the condition of each lubrication point, including the gantry, drive axle hub bearings, lifting chain, steering connecting rod pin shaft, and steering main pin, and add lubricating grease once a week. Attention! Adding lubricating grease to the front axle requires removing two screws. Ninth item, gear oil replacement. Raise the fork, place the oil pan, open the bottom oil plug, drain the old oil, close the bottom oil plug, open the top and side oil plugs, pour in new oil, and if the side oil plug leaks oil, it means the filling is complete. Then close the top and side oil plugs.